Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nasfa Danish Hanania. I'm from SMP Negeri Ajibarang. I want to tell you about my story, Timun Mas. A long time ago, there was a widow named Bokrondo. Her husband had passed away long time ago, so that she lived there alone. She had no children and she prayed to God to get a child. One night, when she prayed, a giant passed her house and heard her pray. The giant said, "I can give you a child, but you should give the child back to me when she is 17 years old." Bokrondo was so happy and didn't think the risk of losing child better. She agreed to offer. Then the giant gave the cucumber seeds and asked Bokrondo to plant them around their house. Tomorrow she planted the seeds just like what the giant asked. Shortly, the seeds grew up after some days, and there were several cucumbers there. However, the most interesting thing was a huge golden cucumber. Bokrondo plucked the golden cucumber carefully and carried it home. With care, she sliced it and she was so surprised that a cute baby girl was inside. She named the baby with Timun Mas, which means golden cucumber. She loved the baby really much. Years passed and Timun Mas has grown to be a beautiful and lovely little girl. She was really smart and kind as well. That is why Bokrondo kept thinking about her promise with the giant. One night, Bokrondo had a dream. She must meet a holy man who lived in a place called Mangundo. That holy man could help to save her daughter. The next morning, Bokrondo went to Mangundo. She met the holy man and he gave bottle bags to Bokrondo. "This bag are for her. Tell her to open and use it one by one," sighed the holy man. Bokrondo nodded her head at a sign that she understood the command. Then she came back to home. It was containing cucumber seeds, needle, salt, and shrimp paste. The holy man said that Timun Mas could use them to protect herself. At home, Bokrondo sighed about her promise with the giant, to her doctor, and about bag given from a holy man. "Don't be afraid, doctor. Bring this bag and protect yourself. You will be safe." "Okay, Mom, don't worry. I will be safe." A few days later, the giant came to Bokrondo's house and asked for the promise. Bokrondo told her doctor to run from a back door and took the bag from a holy man with her. The giant saw Timun Mas running away. He was so angry because Bokrondo broke her promise. The giant chased the girl to catch to her. He was getting closer and closer. "Timun Mas, where are you?" shouted the giant. Bravely, Timun Mas opened the first bag. It was cucumber seeds. She threw the seeds and instantly they grew into cucumber fields. "Oh, this cucumber is very good," the giant ate them all, so that she ran further. However, it was giving the giant more strength to chase the girl. He was getting closer. "Ha ha ha ha! Is the one with me, little girl?" After that, Timun Mas didn't give up. She opened the second bag. The girl glanced at needles. and spilled them behind her. The needles magically turned into the last bamboo leaves, which were thorny. The giant bunnies were flat and succulent. Unfortunately, he made it and chose to go again. It doesn't work again, little girl. For the last, Timun Mas opened the third bin and spilled salt inside. Then it made the soil turn into the very deep sea. The giant almost drowned there, but he swam to cross it. For a far place, Timun Mas saw. What else do you have, little girl? Shouted the giant. Then she opened the last bin and threw it. Lord, please, it's my last weapon. Please help me. It was Slim's. The made soil became the last swamp of boiling. Everyone, please help me! I'm going to drown! Everyone, please help me! Finally, the giant almost drowned there, and the mud turned pink. The giant died and everything was empty. Timun Mas came back to home and lived happily ever after with background. Thank you guys for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.